Cooking with Kyler.
Today we're making bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs.
And take a bite. Yeah. So today's subject is really the chicken, but we're using a variety of spices. We're gonna make a little spice rub.
We're gonna take our dried ingredients and we're gonna mash it up in the molcajete. Cumin, rosemary, cinnamon. Sounds like squash. Paprika.
Oregano. The secret to crispy skin, of course, is to make sure that your chicken is dry.
Even it takes an hour.
My favorite spice is right here. Is this one again?
Cumin?
Yeah.
Is that good?
I want you to be the judge here. Turn it upside down. And turn the, yeah.
We're gonna add a soup of cinnamon.
And the paprika. Again, we're not using measurements. This is also salt.
This is salt?
It's garlic salt. So here, try it. Let's try it. Wow.
Wow.
That's good. That's good.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Kyler, I think you blended up a bowl of magic in there. Always wash your hands after you deal with chicken, raw chicken. So we have a pan, which is hot on medium-high heat. Skin side down. Skin side down. Skin side down. The secret is not to touch the skin. You don't want to lift it as much as you want to and take a peek. Let it cook for about 10 minutes. And you know what? It's gonna finish in the oven and it'll continue to brown. Flip that over. A little bit with my, use the heel of your palm. There you go. Okay. And that's gonna help flavor it up.
Beautiful. Can we just eat it now? Just
I know, doesn't it look so lovely? Just like that?
Take a picture.
Okay, it's a great idea. Okay. All right, now we're gonna put this in the oven for 20 minutes at 450 degrees. Okay? Oh yeah. Be really, really careful. Doesn't that look good?
Yeah.
Put them in there. And salt. Whoa, whoa. You wanna do this part too? If we had something red, that would be awesome. Could I have? I could put this on maybe a couple of them. The one I'm gonna do. This is spicy.
Oh, you saw how simple this is.
Right.
And how simpler, yummier. Mmm.
Yeah?
Yum. Mmm.
Oh wow. Variety is the spice of life, right? And it really does help lift the flavors of every recipe. Thanks for watching, everybody. Be inspired, get creative, and include the kids. Let's continue with this. You dare me to eat some garlic?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, down the hatch. Yum.
Into the oven.
I wonder, do we put some lemon wedges?
Yeah.